Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download maps on DJI RC2. So first recommendation, ensure your controller is connected to internet access. I have video on that. Um, then it's highly recommended that you use SD card. So yeah, make sure that you have one, that you won't have any issues with it. So yeah, let's get straight into it now. Now I assume that you already powered on your controller RC2. Now what we are going to do is from this main landing screen of this DJI Fly app, tap the profile button at the bottom of the screen. So this is basically DJI Fly app, so you can follow along also on your mobile phone. So profile, come on, okay. Now we click on offline maps. This will show you worldwide grid map. Will use two fingers to pinch, zoom, and drag across the map to locate the specific geographic area where you plan to fly. So let's find it here. Something like so. As you zoom in tightly on your destination, a white or highlighted bounding box will appear on the screen. To box dictates the exact perimeter block that will be downloaded. So now you can see this white box here. So let's go here like so. And what we can do now, tap the download icon, which you see right here, like so. Name the new region and then confirm, and you will have uh, the map downloaded. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.